Hi guys, so today I am going to show you how to download and install Audacity in your PC for free. So first of all, open any browser. I am opening Google Chrome and then search Audacity. After that, go to the first link. So here it is. It is the official website of the Audacity. Click on download and then it starts downloading. So after downloading, open the setup. Click yes. Select OK. Next. And choose any location. For example, I want to install in Audacity. Okay. Next. Create desktop shortcut. Next. Install. And that's it. Audacity is installed in your PC. Thank you.